the best policy. Viva Senor Santo Niño! Good evening to each and everyone. My name is Jeremy Magsoling. I came from Baut Bantayan, Cebu. Happy Fiesta, everyone! I'm Jubilina Larva, or you can call me Obi for short. Not as young as 16, not hot as 17, but cool as 18 years of age. I came from Barangay Limbabay of Bantayan Island. My hobbies are dancing and swimming. Once again, this is Jubilina Larva, naniniwala na what the mind can perceive, the body can achieve. That's all. Yung bye-bye! My hobbies are playing volleyball, listening music, and watching television. There's a saying that goes, it's better to give than to receive. Thank you. Happy Fiesta! Mabuhay, Senor Santo Niño. My name is Razal Pastoriza, Raz for short. I'm 16 years old. I came from Baut Bantayan, Cebu. I love watching TV and chatting. My motto in life is it is bitter to light, just one little candle to stumble in the dark. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Simplicity is beauty, even though others may say, what is beauty if brain is empty? My name is Crishamay Pastoriza, residing in Tarong Bantayan, Cebu. My motto in life is that it is better to love at lost than never to love at all. That's all. Thank you. Happy Fiesta!
Nothing great in the world has been accomplished without passion. A pleasant and a joyous evening to each and everyone, especially to the Board of Judges, my friends, and to my fellow ladies and gentlemen. This is Crisamy Villabas, Crisa for short, 16 years of age, one of the products of brain and beauty of Sitio Tocotocol. Don't you know my hobbies are reading books, writing novels, and singing. That's all. Happy Fiesta, everyone! A pleasant evening to each and everyone. My name is Francis Camille Di Barini. You can call me Camille. I'm representing the Queen City of South, Green Meadows Subdivision, Kimbas and Roque Talisay, Cebu. My hobbies are bonding with family and friends and surfing the net. My motto in life is beauty is in the eye of the beholder. I thank you. Viva Senor Santo Niño! Global in pure, we can keep it pure. A pleasant evening to each and everyone, especially to our board of judges, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kimberly Yoon. You can call me Kim for short. I'm 40 years of age, candidate number 8. There is a saying that goes, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. My hobbies is reading books. Happy Fiesta! And I hope you're enjoying the show.